Hey guys, today let's make the perfect vegan mayonnaise at home easily. That is, mayonnaise without eggs. Do use olive oil in the process, because olive oil gives good consistency apart from other oils. Also make sure the oil and milk is already refrigerated and is chill while blending mayonnaise, so that you won't find it in watery consistency. So, let's get started. 1 cup of chilled milk. 1 tablespoon pepper. 1 tablespoon sugar. 1 tablespoon salt. For garlic cloves. Blend this continuously for 3 minutes, and 3 minutes later, add 1 cup of chilled olive oil. Now, blend this for 5 minutes continuously, and 5 minutes later, you will find a thick mixture. Now again add a cup of chilled milk. Blend this for 5 minutes continuously. Add 1 cup of chilled olive oil. Blend this for 5 minutes, and you will find the perfect flowing consistency of mayonnaise. If you don't get the consistency, refrigerate and again blend. You will surely find the perfect consistency this time. You can refrigerate and use up to 1 month. Do try at home and tell us how it tasted. Do follow us for more appetizing recipes.